English words all the time. You know exactly what you want to say, but the words just disappear. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 10 easy tricks to remember words and speak English confidently. By the end of this video, you'll not only remember words easily, but also use them naturally in conversations. Let's get started. Associate the word with something funny, visual or personal. For example, if you want to remember the word cat, imagine it wearing a hat. Your brain will never forget it. Turn words into tiny stories. Words like banana, market, friend become unforgettable when your brain links them in a story. The best way to remember a word is to use it immediately in a sentence. Don't just memorize, practice.
Yeah, boy!
Write words on sticky notes or flashcards. Place them where you'll see them every day, like your desk or fridge. Group words by topic. Learning 5 travel words together is easier than 5 random words. Review words daily. Spaced repetition is key. Your memory strengthens with regular practice. Teach the words to someone else. Explaining strengthens your memory and confidence. So remember, associate, make stories. Use immediately flashcards, group by topic, visualize, review, learn in context, use mnemonics, and teach others. Follow these tricks and never forget English words again. Which trick will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English tips.